Keto, keto, keto. Isn't this the most trending topic we hear everywhere these days? Whether it's on Instagram or YouTube or Facebook. From sports icon to influencers or people sharing their transformational journey to a great fit life. But for us Indians with a diverse, rich food culture, is this Western term even right for us? And does it give the intended results? In these courses, I'm going to share my journey from not even knowing this term to upgrading it to the Indian version of it and getting fit. Hi, my name is Swapna Madhukar. I'm a keto nutritionist, author, and founder of Sugar. And I'm on a mission to help a billion people achieve their fat loss goals by following Indian Keto from the comfort of their homes without spending a fortune, and to make India fit again. Welcome to this special crash course to the mad lifestyle. We are not just talking about the fat loss here, but we are trying to fix the lifestyle to prevent all the unwanted health problems to lead a happy, healthy life. Today, most of the health problems are because of the unhealthy lifestyle we are leading. And on top of it, we are treating it all wrong. It's because of the wrong and overloaded information we find over the net also. That is also one more biggest problem we are facing today. To be frank, our nutrition system is broken, and it's our responsibility to fix it right now. Not only for us guys, but also for our next generations to come. In this course, I will be teaching you how to make your body a super warrior and a fat burning engine comes free with it. Sounds incredible, right? What say? Let's start making a difference today. Welcome to the Mad Lifestyle.